My name is Nidal Alafandi. I am a student in Mumma College of Business, and in this video I will show you how I use Tableau to visualize the data for ISM class project. First I will start with open the project, and in this tab down here I will explain the data source. The first column has the country, and the second column is the region, third state, fourth zip code, fifth city, sixth the sales date, 7 is the department, and 8 is the item. Sales and the profit are the only two columns hold quantitative data which lead us to take decisions and measure the sales and the profit in the business. The second sheet is to show the sales, the amount of sales in the columns and the year. We have 2018, 2019, and here are the bars for each region. We have central, east, south, west, and the items, by the items in the rows, in the bottom row. We see here the details in all the regions for the sales, and the colors are corresponding, the colors of the bars are corresponding to the profit continuum in this corner down here. And I used this box here and drag some of the profit to the colors, so I can get the colors on the bars. The second sheet is the sales in the list, the region emphasized, and we can focus on the south here to see the details more and determine where is the problem to solve. We can infer that in 2019 the items, the least progress items are Acer, Aspire, Amazon Fire, Apple iPad, and Apple Mac. In the third tab here I put the geographical map for the least progress region, and each state has the number of the profit they made in 2019. I put that in the last year so we can see where the business at through this filter here, edit filter, and I choose 2019, and the colors are made through this box, so you can see the least state, the least profit state has darker colors and more bluish to the higher profit state. In this tab I show the profit by the department and sales date, so we can compare the profit throughout the years of business. In the dashboard I included the map in the first part, and in the second part I included the first sheet data, so we can browse the data by year using this slide here. This is 2018. We can see what sales are made in this year or 2019, and see how automatically the corresponding data show up in this part of the screen. And now the story is consists of 5 panes. The first pane, let's start with here. Okay. The first pane is the same as the first sheet, and we can use here the options to go in more deep details and see results. So we can infer from this that the south region has the least amount of sales, and I see profit also because beside this, it's the only region has dark red bars. So in the second pane, I went in more depth to study the south. Sold items in here, and we can get to a conclusion that only Acer Aspire, Amazon Fire, Apple iPad, and Apple Mac are the least progress items that the business need to handle. And the third pane, I included the dashboard, so we can see the progress throughout the years using the story panes. And in the third pane, for the third pane, you can click on the state to see more details. Like here, Samsung Galaxy in Louisiana is the least progress item throughout the years. In 2019, Samsung Galaxy also. In the fourth pane, I emphasized the sales in Louisiana only in 2019. So the viewer can see which state and which items are the least progressing in the business. And finally, the last pane shows the profit by department in 2019 and 18 to compare how the business is going in this region. Also the user can choose which region he wants to check. You can check them all, or you can check only south. Thanks for watching.